Hi guys, it's Cats from K Cats Arts. Thank you for tuning in to another episode. I appreciate all my new followers and my current followers. If you are new to this channel and this is your first time checking it out, hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so that you're aware of when the next video is happening. Okay, today I am doing, yes, I'm bringing my ghetto phone because it's broken somewhat, so I can't take the picture and show it to you. That way, I will try to figure out how to do it. But I had a request from one of my followers on Instagram. Her name is, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it completely wrong, but Adele Para 1108. And she wrote to me, "Hi, can you please recreate my art? I'm such a big fan. I watch all your videos and I love your personality and the happiness, and I love you so freaking much. Can you please make a video? I beg you, please." Okay, she got me right when she said, "Can you recreate my art?" But she went on to do all this. So thank you so much. That means so much to me that you guys like my art and that it's making a difference, I guess. So thank you so much. So then she goes on, can you recreate your followers art? So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to recreate one of her pieces, and she has please, 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 please on here. So I wrote back saying, yeah, I will. So this is what she drew. Hope you can kind of see that. So there's her name up there. So really super pretty, and I was like, yeah, I'm going to do it. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into this video, and I'm going to do your art, Adele. So thank you for sending it to me, Adele. I'm so sorry, but I'm going to create it right now. Welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. I had such an amazing time creating this piece of artwork. Thank you, Adele. Sorry, I'm mispronouncing your name. I know for a fact it's not on purpose. I just suck at it, okay? So thank you for sending your artwork my way. I will show it once again to you. That's not it. So that was her piece of artwork. And this is what I ended up creating. Oh my gosh. I love this piece. I did have a hard time with the glasses. I had to take a side profile of myself in order to get the view, and I don't think I got this perspective all that right because it's kind of my first time doing from like a side view, not even a 3/4 view. But I enjoyed so much creating this. Sorry, trying to figure the right angle. Let me turn off the light for a second so you guys can see that. Like, I love her hair. I love her shirt. I love the whole concept of it. Your artwork is amazing. And in your words, freaking amazing. So thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to create your piece of artwork, because I know what it feels like to see my artwork on other people's channels and they're redrawing it or coloring it in, just like the last collaboration that I did with Sonia. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. But yeah, thank you so much. You have been such a wonderful follower on Instagram as well as on YouTube, and I thank you so much for your kind words. And it was truly an inspiration to see feedback from people, and you're not the only one that has reached out to me. Hundreds of you have, like, I mean literally hundreds of you. I get messages upon messages every single day, and I try my best to reach to everybody. If I haven't reached to you yet or haven't done your video yet, I apologize. There's so many things going, but I had to do this one. There was just something in my heart that said, you have to do this for some reason, like urgently. I don't know if you're going through a hard time right now, Adele, but I want you to know that God is watching over you, and I pray for you, and I hope that everything is okay. And I hope that this video has lifted you up and that you were able to show your artwork here on my channel to my subscribers. And I hope that that made your day. I don't want to cry. You guys do this to me all the time. I swear, I think I'm the only YouTuber who just like constantly cries. But thank you. Honestly, truthfully, I'm not going to cry. But thank you so much once again for reaching out and just being there for me, truly, honestly. And I hope I'm here for you. And if you have any questions, never feel like, any of you, never feel embarrassed that you're asking me a stupid question or anything. There's no stupid questions. It's a learning experience for us, all of us artists. Even the best ones out there, there are techniques that they might not know that little artists like us can share. So again, I thank you so much. And if you are new, again, please just stop the video and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you know when the next video is coming up. And then go on to Instagram and follow me there at KCats Arts, and you will see other pictures that I do other than art that I do here on YouTube. So you'll see other pictures that I do create throughout the week. So I thank you so much for each and every single one of you. You're all a blessing, and you're all in my heart, and I pray for you each and every evening. And yeah, just thank you so much. And remember, one life, one love, one purpose. Welcome to the art community, guys. It is amazing here. And for each and every one of you that are afraid to show your art, please just step out of that box and do it. You will not believe how incredible of an experience this is. Start your own YouTube channel. If you're afraid to start it that way, reach out to me. I can show your artwork here, and I will redraw your artwork if that's what you would like to see. So just reach out to me at kcatsart@gmail.com, or reach me here on YouTube or on Instagram. I will answer each and every one of you as soon as I possibly can, because it's kind of crazy right now. I'm getting ready for all these adventures coming up. I promise I will give you more information and details on that. But again, thank you so much. And never, ever, ever, any one of you, including you, Adele, have anybody stop your dreams. If you want to draw art, you go out there and you do it and follow your passion. Thank you so much, each and every one of you. I love you guys. Have a great and fantastic weekend, because we deserve it. Bye, guys.